You know why we're on a boardwalk? It's not because it's more pretty this way, it's because there's alligators down there. Maybe you can spot an alligator. It'd be weird if you saw one before I did. Let's look over here. I saw a mother with her babies last week, but that was more in the countryside. Here we're at Florida Botanical Gardens, so there's more people. Maybe the alligators are more shy. If I see one, I'll probably scream. Hey, see the turtle? I'm at Florida Botanical Gardens today, but this all looks too green. We need to go and find the flowers. And I love meeting plants that I don't know. This is Mescagnia. It's beautiful. Look at the close-up. Hey, look at this little beauty. This is called Evolvulus. I've seen this for sale a couple of times in Europe, but it obviously needs a warm climate. But look at that gorgeous blue colour. Whoa, look at that gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous desert rose, also known as adenium. That is absolutely sex on a stick. Look at this croton. We use this as a houseplant in Europe, and look how many different forms are growing here and happily outside as well. Look at those, they're just magnificent. Little crinkly leafed one. Oh. And that one like Goldfinger style. I'm sure you've seen that in a houseplant shop in Europe. And look, the big daddy. And totally so sexy, the variegated shell ginger, Alpinia zerumbet. Gorgeous. Yeah, gosh, look at this one. This is a bit of a weirdo. Devil's backbone, Pedalanthus. And it really does look like the devil's backbone. Spooky. So it's time for some begonias. Look at these. Aren't they just the cutest? He's so exotic looking as well. Look at that one. They're almost like the houseplant types we have in Europe, aren't they? I think there's a big daddy right over here as well. Have a look at this one. Whoa. Gorgeous. Some more sexy begonias here. And I absolutely adore Spanish moss. Look at this. It's just like hair on the trees. It is everywhere. It's notoriously difficult to get a good picture of as well. But there you go. You can see it there on video. Apparently it's a parasite, but well, such a beautiful parasite. Well, 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 we all know this one, don't we? Haha, chance to see it in real life. Oh, this one is a beauty. Look at this. Fombergia mysoriensis. Isn't that gorgeous? And perhaps a little bit cheeky looking as well. Or is that just me? It looks like someone's brave enough to go into the alligator infested lake. Good luck, little bird.